Hello, Tansei, Bonjour, Blue Elderberry, Dwarf Elder. Scientific name Zambucus caerulea. The blue elderberry is a tree like plant with leaves that are divided into 5 to 9 smaller leaflets. The flowers of this plant are flat top clusters, which then turn into bluish black berries. This plant can grow from 6 to 24 feet tall. The flowers from the blue elderberry were picked and dried to then create teas. The tea was used to treat fevers and other ailments. The dried flowers were also used in hot baths to induce sweating. The berries were turned into syrups to help fight off colds, flus, and other respiratory infections. The indigenous harvested the berries, with each tree producing between 12 and 15 pounds of fruit per season. These berries were processed into syrups, jams, and jellies. They were also dried and then made into a sauce when one wanted to enjoy it during the months they were unavailable fresh. The indigenous would also use the twigs and fruit to create a very deep black dye. They used these dyes in basketry, clothing, and more. They soaked the stems for making baskets in a wash made of berry stems for a week or more to make them a deep black color. The branches of the elderberry were used to make the shafts of arrows. They would hollow out stems to create flutes and whistles using hot sticks. They would also sometimes use this technique to make squirt guns. The indigenous also used to split the stems to create clapper sticks. Clapper sticks were a ceremonial tool used in the roundhouse. A roundhouse is much like our community centers. They would clap the sticks together to accompany the singing and dancing. The entire flower can be fried or the petals eaten raw. They can even be cooked into pancakes for a unique and fruity flavor. However, it is important to note that the blue elderberry should not be eaten straight off the tree. These berries contain lectin and cyanide, which, if ingested, will cause vomiting, diarrhea, and nausea. Any information in this video is only meant to be educational, as we do not know what sprays are used in this area. We do not suggest consuming any leaves or barks in the plants at the park.